Welcome to Dessert Planet. Half cup of starch. 1 cup of water. Mix the starch with cold water to dissolve the starch. Set the oven temperature to medium. Do not forget to subscribe. This encourages us. Pass the dissolved starch through a strainer and pour it into the pot. Half cup of sugar. 1 packet of red jelly powder. Stir over medium heat until the starch is cooked and the ingredients are thick. Enable notifications to be the first to join us. 1/4 cup of liquid oil. One teaspoon of rose water. Stir until the traces of the spoon remain on the ingredients. Put a plastic cellophane bag and mold. Pour the red ingredients into the mold and smooth the surface with a spoon. Knock the mold on the table surface so that no air remains inside the material. Then place the mold at room temperature. Follow the instructions as before, but choose green jelly powder and half cup of water instead. When the green Turkish Delight is ready, when it is completely hot, pour it over the red ingredients. Flatten the surface of the material with a spoon and then transfer it to the refrigerator to harden. Take the Turkish Delight out of the refrigerator and cut it, then decorate with coconut powder and melted chocolate. Thanks for watching.